Oh, to have a little to own the hearth and stool and all. The heaped up suds upon the fire, and the pile of turf against the wall. To have a clock with weights and chains, and pendulums swinging up and down. A dresser filled with shining delf, speckled, white, blue and brown. I could be busy all day, cleaning and sweeping the hearth and floor, and fixing on the shelf again my white, blue and speckled store. I could be quite there at night, I did say that, beside the fire and by myself, sure of a bed and loath to leave the ticking clock and the shining delf. Oh, but I'm weary of mists and dark, and roads where there's never a house or bush, and tired I am of Gordon Road, the crying wind and the lonesome hush. But I am praying to God on high, and I am praying Him night and day, for a little house, a house of my own, out of the wind and the rain's way.
That's beautiful, Bridget.